Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 35th lecture of rural marketing, and today's topic of discussions are microfinancing for rural development and role of SSG in microfinancing. So let's start. So microfinancing, as name is saying, micro means very small amount of thrift credit and other financial services and products, which is very small in amount to the rural poor people in rural or semi-urban or urban areas. So basically, when we talk about microfinance, so loan starts minimum is 1,000 rupees to maximum. Earlier it was 1 lakh. Now its cap has been increased and it is now 1.25 lakh. So from 1,000 to 1.25 lakh, till that amount you can take as a loan, and these services includes savings, credit, insurance, etc. So microfinancing is started in India in 1970s through the emergence of self-help groups, and these loans or these financing services are differ from conventional banking systems because they emphasize more on principles of cooperation, equality, and mutual self-help, whereas the conventional banking is more over their focus is more over on the profitability. And the basic feature of the micro financing is that the loan given without any security, but the interest rates are slightly higher in those loans. If you need more helps on microfinancing and which are the companies and how much is the loan amount they are providing and what is the interest rate, you can go to this link I am giving you here. You can visit to Bank Bazaar link and you can see or you can get more information on that. Here I am showing you few microfinancing companies, and as I told you, the minimum amount is 1,000, but it is differ for each bank. Few banks they start from 1,000, but other banks or microfinancing institutes they have the minimum limit slightly higher, but from 1,000 rupees also you can get the loan microfinancing. Now, microfinancing, as we have seen, the role of self-help groups is very important in microfinancing. So self-help groups are the informal groups of people who come together to address their common problems. So these are the groups of mostly women. They join together through self-help groups, and its idea is mutual support for the people and helping each other. Okay, and so it is defined as self-governed, peer-controlled informal group of people with similar socio-economic background and having a desire to collectively perform common purpose. So a similar background people, when they come together, they govern their organization by their own. Okay, and they have some common purpose, so we will say it is a self-help group. Okay, and people of similar economic and social backgrounds associated generally with the help of any NGO or government agency, and they try to resolve their issues and improve their living conditions. Like, what is the need to join with NGO and government agencies? So that they can get benefit of different kind of schemes through these NGOs. Okay, so the origin of SSG in India can be tracked back in the establishment of Self Empowerment Women's Association SEVA, that is 1972. So after that only that self help group started, and NABARD had one special program project for the self-help groups. That was self-help group bank linkage project, which in last lecture also we have learned. So under this program, the banks can give credit to self-help groups with the help of some NGO and all. So the credit worthiness and the performance, their accounts, all those details being checked by the bank, and then they provide credit to self-help groups. So basically, there are three stages through which the self-help group evolved. So first one is formation of group, second funding or formation of capital, and third development of required skills to boost the income generation of the group. One very good example I will give you. It is from your state only, that Hilans, if you know. So that is run by self-help group women's. So those women's, they joined with some NGOs, and through that NGO they get fundings, okay, and they run their own business cafe they are running, okay, and they are selling goods which are available in local markets. They are selling those goods also. So that is also one example of self-help group. Next, we will see what are the advantages of financial through SSG. So it is like economically poor individual can also get strength to be a part of SSG, and this financing through SSG reduce the transaction cost both for lender and the borrowers. Like that, lenders who want a loan, they need not to travel to different branches to the banks for completing the paperwork, and because of that they will get a loss of work day. Whereas for banks or the lenders, they need not to create a multiple accounts for different members or the small size of individuals. Instead of that, they can maintain a single account for SSG, self-help groups. Okay, and what are the other advantages? Like if your self-help group is very successful, the people will get empowered. Okay, and especially women, it is very special, like very important for rural people to get empowered through SSG. And like informal lenders, if you are going with informal lenders, and we have seen in previous lectures also, the interest rates will be very high, and there will be a lot of trouble for the borrower. And nowadays, very many big corporate houses also, they are promoting the SSG, so chances to get the benefit of financial benefits are high. And SSG help borrowers overcome the problem of lack of collateral. So women can discuss their problems and find solutions for that. If you are working together, obviously you can share your problems and you can get solution for your problem. So these all are the benefit of self-help groups. And role of self-help groups in microfinancing, if you will see. So in India, self-help group represent a unique approach to financial intermediation, and this approach combines access to low-cost financing services with a process of self-management and development for the women who join as a member of SSG. So low-cost financing is available through joining self-help groups, and these self-help groups, they are supported usually by NGOs or any government agencies, and sometimes through the banks also. So getting credit or financing is very easy through self-help groups. And self-help groups, when they are linked with the bank first, with the group deposit account will be created, and then credit and will be disbursed to the group, and in return the distribution and in turn distribute to the members. So first, through your self-help groups, you can get a credit, and that credit can be distributed among the members. There is a process of group formation and group leader, and the member of trained on managing the saving and credit. And these SSG are linked to wider development or community programs, and it boosts the confidence of the women who are the part of SSG, and they could be active on village affairs. They can stand for the local election and take action to the social or community issue. and community issues when we are saying in rural areas, so abuse of women, alcohol or other dowry system, school, local water supply. So all these issues can be solved through SSG. And other benefits, if you will see, both economic, social, providing new and real opportunities. Okay, when you will get some kind of skills, you have money, you can start your own business, so automatically that confidence will come. It will improve your thinking and you will feel more confident. Okay, so SSG enables women to grow their savings and access on the credit bank and increasing willing to lend. So basically, it is for empowering the members of self-help groups. They can get credit, they can start their own business, so that they can earn and they can get a more they can get a better standard of living. So this is all for today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any query, you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will solve your query there. Thank you so much.